Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 29, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. 5th grade. We have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 6th row, only one number ceremony. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 5. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th row, only one number remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th row and 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 9, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column E, column F, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 4. Column I, column J, column E, column C, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column B, column C, and second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. First grade, column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. We can confirm 5 also here. Third grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 6th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 9 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 2, 7, 9. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. 7th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then we can confirm 1 also here. 8th row, 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 9th row, we have 3, 9, 8. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. 7th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Second row and fourth row, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. Fourth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come here one of these cells. We confirm later. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. First grid, column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then first grid, and third row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th grid, column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. The 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th row and 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.